What if you could explore a place where luxury meets history, where every corner tells a story of grandeur and elegance? Imagine a city-state so small, yet so influential, that it captivates the world with its charm and sophistication. Welcome to Monaco, the second smallest country in the world, a glittering jewel on the Mediterranean. In this video, we'll dive into the history, culture, and allure of Monaco, uncovering what makes this tiny principality so extraordinary. Monaco's history is a fascinating tale of transformation from a modest fortress to a global symbol of luxury. Established in 1215, Monaco has evolved under the Grimaldi family's rule into a prosperous city-state. From its early beginnings as a strategic stronghold to its current status as a beacon of wealth, Monaco's past is a story of resilience and refinement. Monaco's culture is a vibrant blend of elegance and tradition. This tiny principality on the French Riviera celebrates its heritage with grand events and timeless customs. From the dazzling Monaco Grand Prix to the traditional Fête de Saint Jean, Monaco's cultural landscape is a lively tapestry of historical celebration and modern luxury. Explore how Monaco's traditions and cultural events reflect its unique blend of historical prestige and contemporary charm. Education in Monaco is as exclusive as it is international. With institutions like the International School of Monaco, the city-state offers high-caliber education to a diverse student body. Discover how Monaco's educational system combines rigorous academic standards with a global perspective, preparing students for success in a rapidly evolving world. Monaco's economy is a dazzling showcase of wealth and innovation. Known for its status as a tax haven, the economy thrives on finance, real estate, and tourism. The iconic Casino de Monte Carlo plays a major role, attracting high rollers from around the globe. Explore how Monaco's economic model leverages luxury and financial savvy to maintain its elite status on the world stage. While Monaco is renowned for its historic charm, it's also embracing modern technology. The city-state invests in smart infrastructure and sustainable development. The Monaco Grand Prix, a testament to engineering excellence, highlights the nation's blend of tradition with cutting-edge technology. Discover how Monaco is advancing into the future while preserving its iconic elegance. Geographically, Monaco is a marvel, a stunning principality on the French Riviera, covering just 2.1 square kilometers. Despite its small size, Monaco's breathtaking Mediterranean coastline and hilly terrain create a unique and captivating landscape. Explore how this compact geography shapes Monaco's urban planning, lifestyle, and international prominence. Monaco's governance is a blend of tradition and modernity. As a constitutional monarchy, it is ruled by the Grimaldi family, with the prince holding significant influence. The political system maintains Monaco's unique status while adapting to contemporary needs. Delve into how Monaco's governance balances historical legacy with current-day effectiveness. Tourism is the lifeblood of Monaco, drawing visitors with its luxurious offerings and stunning vistas. From the glamorous Monte Carlo Casino to the thrilling Monaco Grand Prix, the principality is a magnet for those seeking sophistication and excitement. Discover the top attractions and experiences that make Monaco a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world. Wow! Monaco was a real gem, wasn't it? If you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of the second smallest country in the world, don't leave us hanging. Hit that subscribe button like you're grabbing the last croissant at a Monte Carlo brunch. Trust us, you don't want to miss our next video. It's like leaving a casino just before the jackpot. So buckle up and stay tuned as we explore from the tiniest countries to the biggest ones. Because missing out on our series would be like Monaco missing its Grand Prix.